everybody, this is Simibella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today the video is all about winter wear. So I recently went to Sarojini Nagar as well as Majnu Ka Tira and I got some stuff from there. Sarojini Nagar currently is overflowing with winter wear and I got very good pieces this time. I'm really happy with my shopping. So I'll first start with the Sarojini Nagar and then I'll show you the pieces that I got from Majnu Ka Tira. Yeah, so let's get started with the video. The first sweater that I'm going to show you is this lovely green sweater. I absolutely love this one. I got this from the place near the People Tree, so the place where you have to go inside. It is a furry kind of a soft furry kind of a material with white polka dots and this beige colored glittery collar, and I absolutely adore this one. He quoted rupees 300 for it, but I think I got this for 150 rupees. The next thing is also one of my most favorite one. I just couldn't believe that I got this for 100 rupees. This is the piece. It's a white, off-white, glittery sweater, and you get these kind of sweaters a lot in Sarojini these days, but the best thing about it is the back side of it. So it has this satin kind of a design with buttons here in the middle. So I really love this one as well. This with a blue jeans and biker boots would look so nice, and a sling bag of course. So this would look very nice if you pair it up very well. The next sweater that I want to show you is again a glittery whitish greyish one, and I know you must be thinking how many glittery sweater can I buy, but I can buy a lot because these are not very tacky glitter. These are very subtle, subdued glitter that you can only see when the light focuses rightly on you. It's not like on your face. So I really like this. This is a V-neck sweater. It is really lovely. It is a little bit long. It also has long sleeve and I absolutely loved it. I got this one for 150 rupees. It comes up until my below my waist, so it's really nice. So if you want to wear it with jeggings, it's really good because then it hides your crotch area and your butt area as well. So this kind of thing with a jegging and long boots would look really nice. So I got this one. The next thing that I got is this sweater. Now this is a greyish blackish sweatshirt, whatever you call it, and it looks very ordinary from the front, but in the back it is of a different design with a knitted design on your arms, and it's really casual if you look it from the back side. It's really formal if you look at it from the front. Again, I got this for 150 rupees. I got this black sweater from, I don't know if it is getting reflected on camera, but it has a very nice sequenced collar design in the front. It's black, but then it has some features to it. It's not boring black sweater or sweatshirt. This was from Marks and Spencer, and if I get to buy this in Marks and Spencer, even on discount, it will not be less than 1500 rupees. So I got this one for 150 rupees. The next thing that I'm going to show you is a sweatshirt. It has a white some pattern in the front. In the back it's navy blue, and again the same thing here. This would be something that I would casually throw on when I have to go to Sarojini or when I have to go to any other place. This is for 200 rupees and you'll get so many of them in Sarojini right now. These are in different colors, in different designs, like there are like 20-30 pieces of it. The next thing that I'm going to show you, all of these in fact are for only 100 rupees each. The first one is this white sweater. This is absolutely new, crisp white, and it has a buttony thing here, 3 buttons just for design, a little bit of element in this sweater. So it's just a long sleeve white sweater that I can wear inside and then maybe wear an overcoat or maybe wear a big shrug on top of it. It will look very nice. It will be simple yet very classy. So I got for 100 rupees. The next thing is this. I got this one again for 100 rupees. This has such cute love heart design on the front. It's like heart shaped all over in the front, and the back is again plain. I like this one. This is cute. The thing that I want to show you is this sweater. Now I got this sweater a month back and I've worn it in one of my videos, I think you can recognize this, but I wanted to show you because it's absolutely lovely and I got it only for 100 rupees. Look at this neck design on the neck, which is the pearly design. Is absolutely lovely. This is like really good pearl and I love this one. I couldn't believe that I got it for 100 rupees. It looks really nice. Next sweater that I want to show you is this pink one. I got this very dark fuchsia pink sweater which is open in the front from this round bhaiya who keeps everything in these hangers, and it was only for 50 rupees. It's so nice and it is a long sleeved one, very deep fuchsia color, which I absolutely adore. The last thing that I want to show you from Sarojini is this pant that I got from a shop which is next to Incense. Now this is a shop that I had never been to earlier and I really liked the things that they had. They had a huge range of trousers and I got this blue, navy blue kind of a trouser there. It's formal as well as casual. I can wear it in my office or I can wear it just like that when I go to university. It's a nice fit. It has a good stretch and it has a good feel to it. They had different colors in it and I couldn't have got for a cheaper price. They gave me 10% discount and I got this for, I think it was for 7.99 and I got it for 7.20 or 7.25, 30 rupees, which is good for a trouser. Now we are done with everything from Sarojini. I'll be showing you stuff that I got from Mashruqa Tela. This is a scarf or a stole that I got from Mashruqa Tela. It's a nice reddish, pinkish, deep fuchsia, I think again, scarf that I got. I don't know how to show it to you. So it's a really nice big stole. It's written pashmina, but I'm 100% sure it's not pashmina, but it is really very soft. I got this for 250 rupees. I know it's a little bit costly, but the quality of it is really nice. I really liked it and I don't mind paying it because I know this will last me quite a long this winter. Also it has a very good quality to it. It's not the 50-60 rupees Sarojini material that you get in Sarojini. It's better than that and therefore I really like it. So the next thing and the last one that I'm going to show you today is this blazer. So I got this because it was such a nice grey color. If you can see the color, it's not black. It has a blue lining in the inside of it and it's so warm. Absolutely necessary for this winter season when it's so cold in Delhi, and I really like the fit of it. It is a very simple one. It doesn't have all those buckles like double-breasted buttons, etc. Nothing of that sort. It's like simple blazer with one button in the front. It comes up until just above my knees and therefore I can wear it with my dresses as well. So even if I wear a dress in winters, I can still cover myself up with this very warm, nice, soft blazer. So I'll just wear it and show it to you. So the collar sits perfectly here, the lapel sits perfectly here, and then you have a button here. And if you don't want like a V-shaped one, then you can also keep it like this, so you can cover up yourself like this and it will sit perfectly here as well. So I really like this. Generally wear this with my jeans and my boots, or I generally wear this with my dresses, just a little bit of layering, and it looks really nice. So I can, in a very cold wintry afternoon, I can just pair it up like this, the grey blazer and the red scarf and skinny jean and biker boots and a sling bag, and it will look really nicely. I'll be ready for a party, I think. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.